During World War II, cities were often threatened by incendiary bombs designed to start massive fires. Traditional water-based firefighting techniques were ineffective against the magnesium and the phosphorus inside of those incendiary devices. Enter sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate is NaHCO3. When sodium bicarbonate is heated, it releases CO2, which will smother flames. The civilians and firefighters would use sodium bicarbonate baking soda-based extinguishers to help combat the incendiary bombs, the fires that they started. It became a pre-raid precaution that saved so many lives. Now, where this fits for you and I in our lives. If you have a grease fire at home, don't pour water on it. It will make the fire bigger. So you have a pan on the stove, the oil inside the pan gets too hot, starts on fire, you pour baking soda on it. It's the CO2 that will smother and extinguish that flame. So a great example of chemistry in history and an application for life. Thank you for joining me. Please come again, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.